When it comes to filing your income tax returns, do you know which form you are supposed to fill? Are you aware that the IT department has rolled out 7 different forms, ITR 1 to ITR 7, for you to file your income tax returns? Do you know that the nature and the amount of the income that you earn will decide which form you are supposed to fill while filing ITRs? And most importantly, are you aware that filling a wrong form can attract penalties for you? If you are clueless about all the above, here's a perfect video for you. I will tell you in detail which is the perfect ITR form that you will need to fill, that will be decided on the basis of the nature and the amount that you earn. So let's start. Alright, so as I have told you, the IT department has rolled out 7 different forms, ITR 1 to ITR 7. But for all practical purposes, the first 4 forms, ITR 1 to ITR 4, are going to cover 95% of the population. So we are going to restrict this video content to the 4 ITR forms only. So if you are a salaried individual who is an ordinary resident of India, and if your total income is less than or equal to 50 lakhs, ITR 1 is the form that you have to fill. Also, if you have to show additional incomes that you have earned through interest from bank deposits, through rental income from one household property, then ITR 1 is the form for you. Now, a major difference between filling ITR form 1 and ITR 2 is the nature and the amount of your income. So if the total income exceeds 50 lakhs, then you have to fill ITR form 2. Also, if you have rental income coming from more than one house property, then also you will have to fill ITR form 2. Hindu undivided families, HUF, are also required to fill this particular form only. Now, ITR 1 and ITR 2 are primarily focused on ordinary residents of India. So if you are an NRI, ITR 3 will be the form that you will have to fill. Now, talking about ITR form 4. HUF owners have the flexibility to either file ITR form 2 or ITR form 4. Also, residents of India whose income is classified under section 44AD or 44ADA will also have to end up filing the ITR form 4 in order to file their income tax. Now, this is the broad classification of the type of ITR form that you will have to fill when you are filing your income tax returns. Just remember that if you end up filling the wrong form, the IT department may treat your document as defective and may ask you to refill your income tax returns within a pre-specified timeline. If you fail to file the revised ITR within that timeline, you may attract severe penalty and it will be treated that you have not filled your income tax returns at all. Also, if you happen to miss the last date for filing your ITRs, you will be allowed to file a belated tax return by paying a late fees. Alright, these were the broad pointers that you should know when you're filing your ITRs. I hope you enjoyed the content. Do subscribe to Finance Lens and I'll see you the next time.